Once the template is put down, secure the template with landscape spikes. Landscape spikes are now down, all the way down. Secure the template. The next step is to dig out the openings, first column first, and then we will start the plantings based on the column. Okay, so the first step is to go and dig out your opening. You want to make sure that the soil is not too loose, like this is right here. This is what I have for a color arrangement. Now, most of these are slits, but they can be used to fill into the areas that I have because of the size of the slits. See, there. Now they look like they're about, I don't know, 3.5 by probably 4.5, 5 inches, but they'll fit in there pretty well. So I prepared the slits by taking them and cutting into like 4-inch pieces, and then I have the singular ones down there, and I'll just combine those to make one of these. So we're going to start at the top. We're going to use the top left corner this time, and we're going to work our way down as in columns. And so you start with the top, dig that one out. The second one will be dug out. Then we'll put the flowers in there, and then the third one we'll dig that one out too, and then put the soil back on top. Okay, so one column down. All right, the best way that I saw to deal with this is to start with one opening and open that up, and then fill it in with dirt after, once you put the flowers in, slits or whatever size that you need to do. All right, so we're going to start with the next size up. All right, so it's looking like it should, the way I imagined it, and the template is still holding up pretty well. I used the slits to fit the area. Some seem to fit a little bit better than others, and I think it looks pretty good right now. So the first pattern is finished, exactly the way that I hoped it would come out. I think it looks pretty good so far. There's like a division in there, but that's fine, because the idea is that the flowers will grow into each other and show a continuous pattern. This is the next pattern. Just started. Coming together, second pattern's done. On to the third. If it's possible. You can also dig this stuff out by your hands. Finished pattern. Remove the spikes, and then remove the template over. This is the next. Here it is, one full pattern, and here's the next pattern, ready to go.